got this one. Coming for the object, let us think I have one object somewhere where some kind of obj example I gave. So it's like this object. So let us think the first name. I have an object as some kind of John, and last name I have it's some kind of last name. I have some kind of some Joy, and I'm having some EMP ID, some kind of 215 and 215 and E number. Let us think I have one more E number, and that is some 101. Okay, so yeah, and one more. Let us think I have here a nested one, some kind of marks. I have marks, and here I have some uh, English, and I have some 70, and English I have 70, some Telugu I have some kind of 80. So yeah, so in this example, this is an object which is having like 4 fields, and one more field it is having, that is also an object. Okay, so if I want to iterate, if I want to fetch this John value, what should be the my output? Can you guess how to call this? How to call the first name? Do you know?
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah. How can I call the first name here? First name of the object.
Object like object example, and we should keep that braces, and inside braces first name.
You are talking like this.
Yeah.
First name. So let us see now. John. Okay. So is there any other way?
Object example dot first name.
Obj example dot first name.
First name.
So yeah, and one more thing. One more thing is like if I want to call the marks English, do you have idea?
Sorry, what?
Marks and English. Here I have marks and I have English.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
Object example.
yeah, let us see with some small thing here. So let us try this one. Marks. Obj example dot marks dot English. So let us see now the value 70. Okay, we have to iterate directly to up to the English, OBJ example and marks and English. Okay, like that within the object I can able to pass a one more object also. Okay, and I can able to give some array also inside this object. So let us think I have some kind of params. I mean stats, some kind of statistics. 1.4 and also 1.6 and 2.15 and 2.2 like this. I have one array. Okay, so to call this array, I can go for console.log obj example example dot stats. obj example dot stats. Now I can find the array value directly. Okay, so if I want to use a function inside this object, so let us think I have some function that is some kind of studied year, study year, year, years, studied years. I have some kind of studied years, and in this, and I am going to have some comma is there, and here I am going to have some this dot, some I am going to return. I am going to return some kind of year one, and it is something like year one. I am going to give some 1990, and year two I am going to give some 1991. Okay, so in this case, this dot I am going to return year one, and I am going to mention here some kind of year two. Okay, so once it is now, if I am calling this one, if I am say console.log, I am going to call obj example dot studied years. Okay, studied years. I will be finding the function. I will be finding that particular function, whatever the function it is. Okay, so if I want to mention, if I want to use some full name, I'm going to give here some full name, and I want to give some function, and within the function I'm going to give like this dot. This means this object. This means this object first name, and I am going to mention here some kind of this dot last name. Okay, so once here there should be comma for sure, and I will be getting that first name, and yeah, 1 second person in this keyboard, and yeah, full name. Okay, but I didn't mention the full name yet, so it is like obj example dot full name. Okay, obj example dot full name. So I will be finding that full name like okay, 1 second, 1 second. Okay, now I want to get that full name means I want to call this function. Okay, I want to call that function that for now it is undefined. For now it is like undefined, and but it is like obj dot full name. Full name. Where dot full name. First name and this dot last name. Okay. Okay, I will be calling now one more here, that is like this. Okay. So I should remove this value for here. We will see about this in the year 6. For now it is first name is not defined. Okay, that's the problem. First name is not defined, so it is like return, should return the first name. So the first name, and it is first name is not defined still. Okay, now I should call this dot first name and this dot last name. If I am calling, I will be getting the value. Okay, this is about an object. The object I can able to mention an object inside the object, and I can able to mention some arrays, and I can able to mention a function. I can able to mention the function inside the object, and this is about objects. And one more thing we have, that is like events. Event, like we already saw one event, that is like on click event, and also we have like alert also we saw, and we have like strings, strings and their length and some parameters we'll see. So you are getting this concept, right? This functions,
Yes.
one is function, last name, first name, declaring, and also exponential, and also type of parameter, and also object and functions. Okay. Yeah. Up to now, we'll stop here. Tomorrow morning we'll see some more.